Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video, the most awaited video and the most useful video for all the semester students of degree. In this video, clearly I will tell you about that how you need to start your semester examination preparation. Okay. See, some of the students have asked for this video and I need to tell you how you need to start, because some of the students don't know about what subjects they are having, right? So in this video clearly I will discuss, so don't skip the video. If you are having the zero knowledge about your semester also, how you need to start subject wise preparation, everything in detail we will discuss in this video. How you need to start your problematic subject, what are the tips you need to follow for the theoretical subject, everything I will discuss in this video. Okay, see, first you list out the subjects what you are having in your semester. For example, if you are pursuing your 5th semester or else if you are pursuing your 3rd semester, what are the subjects you are having. Okay, that you make a list. Keep separate notes. See, one thing what I need to tell to my students, for my subscribers, is just while starting your preparation, you need to keep a separate book for your preparation purpose. Okay, some of the students will learn from the material, they will revise in that material only, everything they will do in that only. You should not do like that. To remember the topic, to remember the answers, whatever you are learning, to remember that till the examination, you need to keep separate book. And after taking the separate book, list out the subjects whatever you are having in your semester. After that, make sure you need to write your important questions. Okay, for example, in Sem 3 you are having subject of advanced accounting. Basically, it's a problematic subject. In our channel, I have already given the gunshot methods and questions what you need to be prepared for the advanced accounting, right? Right, like that. Whatever the subjects you are having, make a list of the important questions. Okay. In unit number 1, what are the chances of getting the theory? What are the chances of getting the problematic? If in case it is a problematic unit, what type of problematic methods they are having? They will get in the question paper. Like that, you need to write that in your preparation notes book. Okay, so after writing all the list of subjects, this one day you allot it for your important questions writing. Got it? So next day, whatever you feel the hardest subject. Okay, for example, many of the students will think accounts is the hardest subject. You start your accounts preparation first. Okay, theory you can pass at any cost. Okay, just you need to learn, just you need to know your English fluency, English sentence. You need to convert the answers, that's it. Okay, if you are not that much perfect in English, you need to check out the theoretical subjects also. So basically, theory subjects, you don't need to give that much days for the preparation. Basically, you need to concentrate on the problematic subject only. So after making the important questions, unit wise, first today you keep the goal to keep the target that you need to finish this unit from this chapter. Okay, you need to finish this unit from this subject today itself, whether it is from morning to evening, whether evening to night, your wish. Okay, basically I am a night student. Okay, night time I am able to remember the answers, and some students will have will answer in the daytime. So it will be different from person to person, student to student. Okay, in which time you are comfortable, morning time, afternoon time, evening time, or else night time, whatever you like it be. If you are keeping day 1 as unit 1 preparation, you need to complete it off. Okay, so hardly 5 minutes you will have in the subject. First unit, first day, second. Mostly now your examinations will be in the month of November ending. Hardly 20 to 25 days you are having time. Got it? So in each subject, if you are keeping 1 day for 1 unit also, you will cover all your semester subjects also. So that's why start your preparation very fast. Okay, and after if you are not aware of the problematic methods, refer my YouTube channel. Not only me, in any other channels also. If you are whatever the explanation you are comfortable, whatever the explanation you are getting understanding means, try to follow that channel. Try to learn the topics. After learning the topics, జస్ట్ అండర్స్టాండ్ టాపిక్స్ మా. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఒక క్వశ్చన్ చదువుతున్నాం అనుకోండి, ఆ క్వశ్చన్ దేని గురించి ఉంది, ఆ టాపిక్ దేని గురించి అనేది మీరు మీ ఓన్ లాంగ్వేజ్లో అర్థం చేసుకోండి. ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్ ఆల్సో యూ విల్ ఈజీలీ గెట్ టు రిమెంబర్, ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్ ఆల్సో ఈజీలీ గెట్ టు know about the topic very fastly. Okay, this is the only tip I can give you to you all. Remember the topic, definitely you can score O grade also in any of the subjects. Okay, and later of the finishing, see, first thing, consistency matters ma. ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఏదో యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ చూసేసి వాళ్ళు ఇలా చెప్పి, నేనే అని కాదు, వేరే వాళ్ళు ఇప్పుడు నేను 5 గన్ షాట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అని చెప్తా, అవి కంపల్సరీగా వస్తాయి రావో పక్కన పెడితే, హౌ మచ్ యు ఆర్ గివింగ్ యువర్ బెస్ట్, హౌ మచ్ యు ఆర్ గివింగ్ యువర్ కన్సిస్టెన్సీ టు ఫర్ ది ప్రిపరేషన్ ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకే, ఐ హ్యావ్ సీన్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది కమెంట్స్ దట్ మీరు చెప్పిన క్వశ్చన్లు నేను రాసిన కానీ నాకైనా O గ్రేడ్ రాలేదు, నాకైనా పాస్ అవ్వలేదు, మీరు కరెక్ట్గా చెప్పారంటారు. నేను చెప్తా ఏం చెప్పిన క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తాయని చెప్పిన, ఆ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్లో వస్తాయి. హౌ యు ఆర్ ప్రజెంటింగ్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్స్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్స్, ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ద పేపర్ ఇవాల్యుయేటర్, రైట్? సో హౌ యూ నీడ్ టు ఇంప్రెస్ ద ఇవాల్యుయేటర్. కొన్ని లక్షల పేపర్లు ఉంటాయి, ఆ లక్షల పేపర్లో నీ పేపర్కి O గ్రేడ్ ఇవ్వాలి అంటే వాళ్ళని నువ్వు సాటిస్ఫై చేయాలి. ఆ పేపర్ కరెక్షన్ ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళని యూ నీడ్ టు సాటిస్ఫై దెమ్. How you are presenting your answers, how your handwriting is, whether you are attempting each and every question or not, whether you are attempting extra questions or not, everything matters in the examination hall. Okay, so our responsibility is to give the important questions only, but all the results grade, all the results thing is in your hands only. How you are doing your consistent, how you are allotting your timetable, how you are scheduling your time, how you are doing your hard work, everything matters. Okay, one day la preparation అయిపోతుందా, one night la preparation అయిపోతుందా అంటే I don't know, because నాకు ఒక ఆన్సర్ 1 hour నేర్చుకుంటా, మీరు ఒక ఆన్సర్ 10 minutes నేర్చుకోవచ్చు. How can I know whether how consistent you are? Okay, so this is the thing I want you to tell, and don't depend on any YouTube channels. Okay, మేము చెప్తాము, నాట్ ఓన్లీ మీ, ఎనీ అదర్ ఛానల్స్ ఆల్సో, నేను ఈ క్వశ్చన్ వస్తుంది, ఈ టాపిక్సే నేర్చుకుని అని చెప్తాను, బట్ సింప్లీగా నమ్మకండి దాన్ని. ఓకేనా, యూ ఆల్సో నీడ్ టు చెక్అవుట్ దట్ వెదర్ షీ సేయింగ్ ఆర్ హీ సేయింగ్ ద కరెక్ట్ మ్యాటర్ ఆర్ నాట్, యువర్ థింగ్ ఈజ్ మ్యాటర్స్. ఓకే, సింప్లీ నేను ఏదో చెప్పేసి నేర్చుకోవడం కాదు. ఓకే, షీ ఈజ్ టెల్లింగ్ దట్ దిస్ టాపిక్ ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్, just check out the previous year question papers, whether she is saying right or not, it is in your hands. It's your responsibility to your results only, for your purpose only you are reading, no ma. So that's the thing, don't depend on anything, especially third semester advanced accounting subject. I am saying, how much you learn, the question paper will be, seems to be hard. Okay, after going into the examination hall, if you see the question paper, you will get the blank in your mind. So that's the thing, advanced accounting is the toughest subject, one of the toughest subject in whole degree semesters. Okay, so that's why Sem 3 students mostly concentrate on advanced accounting, Sem 5 students mostly concentrate on cost accounting, Sem 1 students it will be easy FA1. You can watch the videos also, and consistency matter ma. And after learning, just make a preparation note. See, I will show my notes, whatever the notes I will upload in my Telegram channel that I have prepared. Simply I can't learn from the material, simply I can't from the textbook, simply I can't from the notes which is given by my lecturer. After learning all, after referring to all the materials and notes, you need to make a notes. Okay, for example oka answer undi, ఈ ఆన్సర్ 3 పేపర్స్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ మెటీరియల్లో యూ ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ ఇట్ ఆన్సర్ కన్సిస్టింగ్ ఆఫ్ 3 pages, అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ లెర్నింగ్ 3 pages is not that much required for your 12 marks answer. You will not at all get that much time also. You need to reduce that answer. What it is reduce, how you need to reduce, just what is the important lines given to the questions. Okay, what the statements highlights the question, that you need to underline it and make a note of it. Okay, just write the question, definition, points, etc. examples, that's it. You prepare that notes in 1 page. Learn 3 pages of answer. After learning 3 pages of answer, make sure you are writing that notes in 1 page. That's the main thing. Okay, so that's why many of the students, you also tally notes you are asking, that is computerized accounting notes you are asking, and the previous semester I have shared my RDBMS notes and that web technology notes. The many of the students who learn from my notes are saying that Akka, it's very easy compared to the material. Yeah, I have learned from material, I have learned from textbook, I have learned from my notes which we have given by my lecturer, and I have prepared that. So that's why if you also learning and if you also preparing your notes means you will also get that topic easily. See, I have completed my degree so many years back, but still I am remembering the topics. Why I am remembering the topics? Regularly I am doing the videos, that's the main thing, and in my degree I have written the notes preparation, that's the main thing. Okay, that's why many of the students will secure O grade in the subjects. Okay, just simply think, if you are starting your preparation, make sure you are having the important question, make sure you are having the reference book, make sure you are having the proper guidance. If you are not receiving the guidance from your college lecturers, make sure you are learning any from the YouTube channels, okay, degree related, your exams related YouTube channels. Make sure you need to have some guidance. That's the important thing. How you need to learn whether this topic is important or not. You need to have some guidance. Okay. So this is about the preparation. In upcoming videos, I will definitely do the paper presentation in your examination booklet. Whether you want that video or not, let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, then do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel and share with all your friends and groups. Okay. See you on the next video. All the very best for you.